All right, continue. Number 13. It is prohibited to write a verse of scripture without etching lines into the parchment. Some halakhic authorities maintain, says the Maggid Abraham, one may not write a secular content in Ashuri script with which the Sefer Torah is written. Okay, so two things that we learn from here. Some halakhic say that you have to etch the lines. So, and if you see the Sefer Torah, if you see mezuzah, and if you see tefillin writing, so they have these lines that they do. I'm not sure with the needle, with the knife, something like where he's going to write. So it would look nice, right? And so second part, you should not write the same with the same script that we write the Sefer Torah, some secular things. Okay.